Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm going to go and climb a cliff. Alright, so I'll speak to you later. And by the magic of editing, ta-da! Don't know if it can be seen there, but there's a walkway up there. And that's where I'm heading for. Looks quite steep. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off. Getting steep enough now, I need to grip onto stuff.
Later.
It's actually easy. I drove up. Oh, I know what you were thinking. Top of the world. Sorry about that. No, as stupid as I can be at times, climbing up a cliff, definitely not my thing. No. I have to say, when I left to come here today, I didn't realise it was all cliff and I thought I could climb to the top, so I didn't get doing any of that. So when I go home today, I'm going to look for, don't want to keep my eyes on the camera too much in case I go over the edge. But yes, when I go home today, I'm going to look for a really nice mountain to climb and go next week. Lockdown did so many good things for me, but definitely top of the list, or close to top of the list, this walking that I never did in my life. I was a lazy sod. Now, this is me back to just after I pretended to start climbing up the hill. So now I'm going to drive from the bottom of the hill along the coast and up to the top of the hill to pretend that I've just finished climbing the hill. Does that make sense? Yeah, I got about 80 feet. For flip's sake, everywhere you go, everywhere, morons dumping their rubbish. So before I start my climb, goodness, this coming down, sitting to the sea. It's beautiful. This is very Donegal-ish. Hello, bird. Tricks. I'd love to do that. It's something I've always wanted to do. It's on my bucket list. I had to put the jumper on because I got a little bit nippy. But as usual, I'm underdressed. That's an island, small island, but seems to have lots of property on it. We'll have to look it up. And way over there, you can hardly see Guardamar. I want to put my drone up and have a look. So I'm walking way along to get away from the flying people. You know, that looked marvellous. That fella that was doing the twirls and all, roller coaster on steroids. I've looked up the price of those in the past and talked about it quite a bit. What I should really do, of course, and I may just do, that's inspired me, is pay and go up. I didn't even know they did it here. Right, let's see. When you're living on a budget, you can't be paying for too many things, but there's that and a bungee jump, and it could be worth it. You can tell you're not in the UK. Health and safety, all the wee railings and all. Non-existent. If you remember back to the early days of Spain, me arriving, not the early days of Spain, the early days of me arriving in Spain and looking for somewhere for the dogs to go into the sea, that's the road. The dog beach that I eventually found was there, but that's the day that I got flipping, thought I was going to get arrested at the police, took all my details. That's the day I discovered beaches in this part of Spain, definitely not dog friendly. I'm terrible with cliff edges. Stomach and all's going. I can do anything. I can. Oh, roller coasters, everything that someone's put a bit of effort into making safe. But I'll take a wee lesson in case anyone doesn't know. Cliffs are formed through chunks of rock falling off over thousands of years. They keep falling off and you get a cliff. So if you're brave and you're standing at the edge looking over, that bit's going to fall off at some stage and you may be the straw that breaks the camel's back. So, hope you enjoyed that wee trip. I did. It was a wee bit chilly, but not cold. But thoroughly enjoyed that walk. I went on a good long walk right along there. But I'm going to leave it off there. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit the wee button. Love to hear your comments, and don't forget to hit the wee bell icon. Be reminded of any videos that come out. Alright, so until next time, bye for now.